What if saving for retirement isn't the ultimate path to financial security? Could there be a smarter way to ensure lifelong prosperity? They say the rich don't save for retirement, and they're absolutely right. Wait, what? Yes, the wealthy, the truly financially free, don't rely on savings accounts or retirement funds to secure their future. So what do they do instead? If you're grinding at your 9 to 5, stashing dollars into your 401k, thinking you're on the fast lane to financial freedom, you might be driving the wrong car entirely. Today, I'll uncover what the top 1% really do to retire early, stay wealthy, and live free. No fluff, no recycled advice, only what works and why it's hidden from most. All right, let's get started. They turn their money into employees, not prisoners. People believe saving is the smartest way to prepare for retirement, but the wealthy treat money like employees, not prisoners. Ryan, a 35-year-old who never contributed to a 401k, built cash flow instead. His income comes from rental properties, royalties from online courses, dividend-paying stocks, and even digital vending machines. His money works for him 24/7. Compare that to the average American with $112,572 in their 401k, barely generating $375 per month in retirement. That won't even cover rent in most cities. Wealthy people think like asset managers. They buy REITs, fractional real estate, high-yield dividend stocks, and build online income streams. The question you need to ask: if your money had a job, what would it be doing? Sitting in a cubicle at a bank, earning nothing? Or hustling online, generating returns while you sleep? This shift doesn't just boost income. It transforms your relationship with money. They build silent businesses that print money 24/7. While most people trade time for dollars, the rich trade systems for freedom. Imagine a couple in their 40s who don't have a massive business empire. They built a digital course platform that runs itself. No employees, no physical office, just pure digital automation. They earn $60,000 per month while they travel the world. They built it once and let it work forever. This isn't magic. It's strategic architecture. Most people are so obsessed with promotions and salaries, they never build anything scalable. But the wealthy? They're always building behind the scenes. They sell ebooks, templates, create affiliate stores, license intellectual property, and earn globally using platforms like Gumroad and Teachable. These aren't flashy startups. They're silent wealth machines. Ask yourself, if you disappeared for 6 months, would your income stop or keep flowing? The transformation comes when you shift from being an employee of time to an owner of systems. You don't have to be a tech genius. You just need to solve one problem digitally. Suddenly, you're not saving for retirement. You're earning through retirement. They redefine what retirement means. To most people, retirement is a deadline, a finish line, something they wait decades for. But the wealthy define it differently. It's not about quitting, it's about choosing. Lena, a 42-year-old creative entrepreneur, hasn't held a traditional job in years. Yet she's not retired in the traditional sense. Her time is spent exploring, writing, mentoring, and traveling, all funded by royalties, real estate income, and digital products. She calls it lifestyle design, not retirement. Wealthy people focus on time wealth, owning their schedule, not just their net worth. They calculate their freedom number, the monthly passive income that covers basic living, and build from there. They take mini retirements, explore sabbaticals, and build lives they don't need a break from. Retirement isn't about stopping work. It's about eliminating financial obligation. Ask yourself, what if retirement was a lifestyle, not a location on a timeline? The answer to that question changes everything. And if you think that's revolutionary, wait until you see how debt, yes, debt, can become a wealth generator for your future. They use debt to buy cash flow, not liabilities. People run from debt like it's financial fire, but the wealthy use it as rocket fuel when used right. Take Marcus, a 39-year-old investor who borrowed $100,000 to buy 3 rental properties. After loan payments, taxes, and management fees, he nets over $1,000 per month in cash flow. While others avoid debt, he leveraged it to build passive income. The issue isn't debt itself, it's what you use it for. Most people borrow for cars, vacations, and electronics, stuff that loses value the moment it's bought. The rich borrow to acquire assets that pay them every single month. Real estate, leveraged ETFs, cash-flowing businesses, all tools of strategic debt. It's called OPM, other people's money, and it's a powerful multiplier when used responsibly. Before borrowing, the wealthy ask, will this debt create income or take it away? That one question creates millionaires. Learn about business credit, debt-to-income ratios, and asset-backed loans. Most of all, learn to use debt like a lever, not a trap. You don't need to fear debt. You just need to control it. And the final transformation, it's about legacy. The rich don't just retire well, they ensure their next generation never needs to. Here's how they do it. They build generational infrastructure, not just wealth. When average people think of retirement, they imagine peaceful beaches and a full bank account. The rich, they imagine a blueprint that outlives them. Instead of only planning for their comfort, they build for their children, their community, and causes they believe in. The average family loses wealth by the third generation. The rich set up foundations, trusts, and legacy funds that protect and grow capital across lifetimes. This isn't about spoiling the next generation. It's about educating them. They introduce kids to investing, compound interest, and philanthropy before high school. They use family meetings to review asset performance. Ask yourself, are you preparing your heirs to inherit wealth or just bills? Real retirement isn't an escape from work. It's the freedom to shape a legacy. They build identity-based wealth, not just income-based wealth. This last point will flip your mindset forever. Most people work for money. The rich build identities that attract it. Instead of focusing only on jobs or products, they cultivate personal brands, thought leadership, and reputation capital. Arjun, a tech strategist who posts insights on LinkedIn and writes on emerging markets. Over time, he attracts opportunities, equity deals, consulting gigs, all without applying for anything. His presence becomes his portfolio. Wealth follows visibility backed by credibility. While others clock out at 5 p.m., the rich invest in content, speaking, networking, and reputation assets that magnetizes opportunity, partnerships, and premium leverage. They become known for a niche, a result, or a philosophy. Ask yourself, what are you known for? If your name popped up online, would it attract money or indifference? Your identity can outlive your job. It can earn when you rest. When you build that, you don't need retirement. You build your empire. They see retirement as optional, not inevitable. For the average person, retirement is a finish line, a desperate escape from a job they no longer enjoy. But the rich? They design a life so fulfilling, so purpose-driven, that retirement feels more like a choice than a necessity. They don't wait for 65 to start enjoying life. They build a career or business they never want to retire from in the first place. The rich don't save for retirement the way the rest do. They don't just store money, they multiply it. They don't retire from work, they retire from limitation. They build systems, legacies, and identities that earn long after they've stopped trying. Don't chase a savings number. Chase financial fluency. Start treating your income like a seed, not a ceiling. Build businesses, leverage tax tools, restructure time, reframe debt, empower your heirs, and most of all, become the type of person wealth is drawn to. If this opened your eyes, imagine what happens when you apply even one of these strategies consistently. Your future won't just be secure, it'll be limitless. And remember, this is just the beginning. Subscribe to You're Wealthy for more bold, original truths they don't teach in schools. Because you're not just planning for retirement, you're building a life worth never retiring from.